purchase order printing. We can print any purchase order you need. Just open it and then can print from here. We have purchase order. This is the default purchase order from the system. Look, this is the default one. And we have the header and footer about our company. Okay? Okay. The second one, we can select request for quotation if we have to print request for quotation to send it or to print it to any vendor we have. Look, this is without the prices. Okay? The third one, it's stamp purchase order. We have modified the purchase order as you request to get the serial number, PN or product number, and NSN description, date request, quantity, unit price, amount, and so on. Okay, now we can print from here if we open it, or you can print by select all. After that, print, select each one you need. Okay, this is the way to print. Look, now I'll select the three items and then print stamp purchase order. Look what happened. We have the first one, second one, and third one. So you can print multiple papers you need or select whatever you need and print it. Okay? Okay, and now if you need to export this view as Excel, you can click here, export all. Now you have Excel sheet. It have the reference and confirmation date and vendor and buyer and so on. Okay, if you need to increase the fields like vendor reference, it will be inserted. Look, it's first one, untaxed amount, and receipt state if you have or if you need. Like this, I remove vendor reference. After that, I click export all. If you need to export more than these fields, just select all. After that, from action, export. Okay, this is the fields we have, all fields we have in purchase order. Just select whatever you need to add in this list, like order deadline. When I click, double click here or click on, I think it's added. Okay, if I click something like number of source sales, look, it's added here. If I click number of actions, if I need term type, if I need work order, I can select the work order. Okay, and so on. Just click export after you select XLSX or CSV. When I click export, look, the file is exported. If I open it, look what happened. I'll enable everything. After that, look, this is arrival time, billing state, payer, confirmation, currency, expected arrival, icon, and so on. All data about the work order and so on. So if you need to export a specific word or specific fields, you can use it. I'm sorry, I'll go back to our system. Okay, close. Now we know how we can export the data, okay, and how we can export the um, specific fields you need. Look, this this field is waiting pills, so he click here or show create pills. If I open this one, I can create pill from here if you need. Okay, just return to purchase order again. Now we see all of our data, and we can change the view from list view to canopy view. This is the canopy view. It's um, show you every purchase order as a single box. Okay, this is as a pivot table, and this is for a graph we have. Okay, this is the first vendor, and this is the second vendor. We can see that as a chart like this, or as a pie chart. We can see new vendor take more than a wrap support, and then we can see as a calendar. If I click here, we have this one in this date and this one in this date, and we can see that as a month. Look, this is all in this day. Okay, and we can click activity. It's to show the activity related to purchase order. What about the activities in purchase order? If you open any purchase order, and then from here click activities, like I need to call the vendor to something like summary, type here and log a note here, and then open or save, open calendar. You will see that there, and the system will remind you about this activity. Okay, and you can see all of your activities according to purchase order from this icon. Okay, thank you for now, and we will complete the process of warehouse in a separate series of videos. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.